Hey, welcome back to High Access. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of making money online. If you've been itching to discover beginner-friendly ways to pocket up to $100 daily in 2024, you're in the right place. Now, let's get real. Success in the online money-making game is all about the continuous learning hustle. Adaptation and dedication are your trusty sidekicks. We're about to unwrap 10 different methods, each with its unique flavor. But here's the deal. None of them are get-rich-quick schemes. They all demand your time, effort, and a pinch of patience. So buckle up as we explore these avenues. But remember, staying informed is the key. Trends and strategies evolve, and you'll want to ride the wave of the latest to maximize your earnings. Ready to turn those online endeavors into $100 daily reality? Let's dive in. Start a branded eBay store. Welcome to High Access, where we're spilling the beans on the lucrative path to that sweet $100 daily. Launching your branded eBay store. Now think of it as your digital storefront. To kick things off, dive into that treasure trove of eBay with tools like Zeek Analytics. Unearth those profitable products that could be your golden ticket. Now, let's not reinvent the wheel. Identify the eBay maestros, the sellers who've cracked the code. What makes them tick? Mimic their strategies. It's like having a mentor without the coffee meetings. Once you've got your winning products, lock in reliable suppliers. No supplier headaches here. We're all about smooth sailing. And here's the secret sauce. Don't just sell stuff, build a brand. Niche down, be the go-to in that corner of eBay. So buckle up for your eBay money-making journey. It's not just about selling. It's about crafting your own success story. Ready to turn those eBay dreams into $100 a day? Let's make that happen. Faceless YouTube channel. Alright, let's delve into the intriguing world of a faceless YouTube channel. The covert path to cashing in. First off, grab your metaphorical spy gear, aka video editing software. Stitch together stock images and videos like a cinematic maestro. Stealth is the name of the game. Now let's talk niches. Pick one that not only tickles your fancy, but also has that cash flow potential. It's the art of blending passion with profit. Consistency is your ally. Upload content religiously, like clockwork. The YouTube algorithm loves a schedule. Time to unlock the Moolah Vault. AdSense, brand deals, and affiliate marketing are your three musketeers. Monetize without revealing your face. It's like being a financial ninja making money moves from the shadows. You're not just a content creator. You're a financial strategist building your empire incognito. Ready to turn those video edits into a daily $100 secret? Let's roll! On-camera YouTube channel. We're now unraveling the art of turning your on-camera YouTube channel into a daily Benjamin Bonanza. Picture this. You, front and center, sharing your expertise. First things first, pick a niche that resonates with you. Something you can talk about for days. Your channel is your stage, so own it. Now let's tackle the myth, YouTube saturation. Break free from the notion that it's a crowded space. It's not about the crowd, it's about your unique voice. Consistency is your secret weapon. The YouTube algorithm loves a regular rendezvous, but it's not just about talking to the void. It's about building a community. Share your thoughts, engage with your audience, create a digital family. Now, the sweet part, monetization. Diversify your income streams from ads to sponsorships and sprinkle in a bit of affiliate marketing. Your passion project just became a financial journey. Gear up for your upcoming on-camera adventure. You're not just a YouTuber. You're a financial guru, turning passion into a daily cash flow. Ready to make your channel the go-to spot and pocket that $100 a day? Let's dive in. Now, before you rush off, I've got a quick interruption for you. Are these strategies sparking ideas for your own financial journey? I bet there's a light bulb moment waiting to happen. Don't keep it to yourself. Drop a comment, share your thoughts, questions, or even your own success stories. High access is not just a one-way street, it's a dialogue. Your insights might just be the missing piece someone else needs. So, hit that keyboard and let's get the conversation rolling. Sell low content books. Up next, we're unlocking the potential of selling low content books. Your ticket to a daily Benjamin boost. Let's kick off with a genre that suits you. Be it notebooks, puzzles, or journals, your niche is your playground. Choose wisely. Now let's talk digital shelves. Amazon KDP is your bookstore and you're the author. Dive into the world of self-publishing. It's like having your personal library empire. But we're not sending you to the battlefield without armor. Enter tools like BookBolt, your creative sidekick for designing and uploading. It's the magic wand for turning ideas into sellable gems. Imagine this. Your creations available to the world with just a click. It's a digital hustle that turns passion into profits. So, let's embark on this bookish journey where creativity meets commerce. You're not just publishing, you're crafting your financial saga one page at a time. Ready to turn those digital pages into a daily $100? Let's write your success story. Rank articles on Google. This is your gateway to that daily financial victory. Your very own digital kingdom. Blog website tailored to a niche that's not just your passion but a money-making haven. First up, connect the dots. Link your website to a Google Search Console. It's like sending a signal to the Google overlords. We're here, check us out. Now let's sprinkle some SEO magic. Dive into the enchanting realm of keyword research. It's the secret language that makes Google fall in love with your content. Here's where the alchemy happens: monetization. Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and product sales are your golden trio. Turn those clicks into cash and watch your website transform into a digital cash register. Ready to climb those Google ranks and turn your website into a daily $100 sensation? Let the ranking games begin. Upload YouTube Shorts. This is where short clips become your currency for that daily dose of $100. Buckle up. It's time to turn your passion into a YouTube sensation. First things first, carve your niche. Your YouTube channel is like a tailored suit, specific, fitting, and uniquely you. Now let's talk about the transformation. Repurpose your long-form content into snackable, engaging shorts. It's like turning a feast into bite-sized delights. We're not sending you to battle without a weapon. Enter Opus Clip, your AI sidekick for efficient content creation. It's the shortcut to turning ideas into captivating visual stories. Now let's talk dollars and cents. Monetize through consistency. Regular uploads are your secret sauce. Sprinkle in some strategic descriptions and you're turning those shorts into a financial masterpiece. Google Shopping and Shopify. This is the dynamic duo for turning products into profits. Picture this, your own virtual store tailored to a specific product niche, and trust me, the cash registers are ready to sing. First off, let's lay the foundation. Create your Shopify haven, a digital storefront that's a reflection of your niche expertise. Now let's talk about the magic wand, Google Ads. Connect your Shopify store to Google Ads for a front row seat in the shopping ad arena. It's like putting a spotlight on your products. Time to splash some cash wisely. Invest in Google Ads to drive targeted traffic to your digital emporium. Think of it as the fuel that propels your financial engine. And here's the secret sauce. Optimize your website structure. It's not just about visitors, it's about converting them into customers. Design your website to be a conversion powerhouse. With this duo, you're not just a store owner, you're a financial architect, crafting a money-making masterpiece. Ready to make Shopify store the go-to spot in your niche and pocket that daily $100? Let's kick off your virtual retail success story. Sell digital art with Printify. Now we're about to explore the artful realm of selling digital art with Printify. Imagine turning your creativity into a daily $100 masterpiece. Ready to dive into the digital brushstrokes of financial success? First off, meet your creative companion, an AI bot like Midjourney. Let it be your artistic muse, creating unique digital art that's bound to turn heads. Now let's talk about business. Set the stage for your digital gallery by firing up a Shopify store. It's like having your personal art exhibition open 24/7 worldwide. But wait, we're not just framing digital dreams, we're turning them into tangible treasures. Introduce Printify, the print-on-demand wizard that transforms your art into custom products. It's like magic, but real. Now let's add some flair to the canvas. Google Shopping ads are your promotional paintbrush. Showcase your custom products to the world, turning browsers into buyers. Amazon affiliate marketing. This one is a favorite here in the high access family. Amazon affiliate marketing, your passport to transforming recommendations into dollars. Buckle up for this journey where commissions flow like river. First things first, let's talk keys to the kingdom. Join the Amazon Associates program. It's like getting your backstage pass to the world's largest marketplace. Grab those affiliate links and let the money-making games begin. Now it's showtime. Build your audience kingdom, whether it's through YouTube, blogs, or newsletters. Be the curator of content that captivates. Your goal? Traffic. The more eyes on your content, the more potential buyers in your affiliate kingdom. Time to don your affiliate marketing hat. Promote those Amazon products like they're treasures and watch the commissions roll in. But let's not forget the fine print, the commission rates. Understand the rules of the game. Amazon's commission rates have their limitations. ClickBank affiliate marketing with YouTube ads. Come with me as we decode the art of ClickBank affiliate marketing with YouTube ads. Your ticket to turning clicks into cash without revealing your face. Ready to embark on a journey where financial success meets video mastery? First off, let's open the ClickBank treasure chest. Sign up and pick offers that align with your audience. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting products with potential buyers. Now, let's talk visuals. Say goodbye to face reveals. YouTube ads can be your canvas without the spotlight. Time to bring in the digital squad. Utilize AI bots and voices for video creation. It's like having an army of virtual assistants crafting your content. Now follow the A to Z strategy for YouTube ads. A comprehensive plan to conquer the platform, from ad creation to targeting the right audience. And there you have it, financial trailblazers. We've navigated the avenues of opportunity, turning aspirations into actionable strategies here at High Access. Remember, it's not just about the knowledge, it's about the execution. Remember, it's not just about the knowledge, it's about the execution. If you found value in today's exploration of financial possibilities, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our next Odyssey. Your comments are our compass, so share your thoughts and ideas below. High Access is not just a channel, it's a community where financial dreams are nurtured. Together, we're turning potential into prosperity. Until next time, stay inspired, stay driven, and let's keep chasing those excesses in life. This is High Access signing off.